Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is PHISHSIM, aiding phishing website detection with a feature-free tool. And the abstract of the project is the internet has become an indispensable part of our life. However, it also has provided opportunities to anomalously perform malicious activities like phishing. Phishers try to devise their victims by social engineering or creating mock-up websites to steal information such as account ID, username, password from individuals and organizations. Phishing is an electronic online identity theft in which the attackers use a combination of social engineering and website spoofing technique to trick a user into revealing confidential information. This information is typically used to make an illegal economic profit. Example by online banking transaction, purchase of goods using stolen credentials, etc. The internet has a remarkable platform for common people communication. Persons with criminal mind have found a way of stealing personal information without actually meeting them with the least risk of being caught. It's called phishing. So from here we are going to analyze the phishing website URL by using machine learning algorithm. So in our process we are using two different types of machine learning algorithms like support vector machine and logistic regression method. In our process the TF-IDF feature extraction method which is used to increase the prediction performance of the machine learning algorithms. So our final result will be in the form of matrices like accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So the flow diagram of the project is first we need to start the program and select the phishing URL site URL dataset. Then we use the sample dataset in our console working directory. After that we are going to apply into data pre-processing. In data pre-processing we are going to check the missing values. Then we need to choose our independent variable and dependent variable. After selecting the independent and dependent variable, we are going to split our dataset into training dataset and the testing dataset. Then it will apply into feature extraction. So in feature extraction, first we are going to apply the count vectorization method to convert the text or document into vector form. Then it will apply into TF-IDF vectorizer. Then finally it will apply into TF-IDF transformation. So after it will move into classification. In classification we are going to the pipeline connection between the TF-IDF transforms and our machine learning algorithm. So in here we are using machine learning algorithms like support vector machine and logistic regression model. So by using those models we are going to analyze the result in terms of matrices like accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. While making the prediction, the user can manually provide the URL as an input. Our algorithm will go to find if it is malicious or if it is benign. The program was successfully executed in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE. So this is the sample dataset of phishing website URL dataset. So in here I am going to check the information about the dataset. So after that, in that it will show the data type of URL and also label column, sources, objective value. Further I will apply it into pre-processing method. So in pre-processing I am going to check the missing values that contains from our dataset. So in here it shows the value is 0. So there is no missing values in our dataset. So after that I have to visualize the number of malicious and benign URL sites that contains from our dataset. So after that I have to apply the count vectorizer. So count vectorizer is used to transform a given text into a vector on the basis of frequency or like a count of each word that occurs in the entire text. So after that, after count vectorization, it will apply into TF-IDF transformation. So in that, which gives us a numerical weightage of the word which reflects how important the particular word is to a text in the corpus. So after that, it will apply into TF-IDF vectorizer. So the TF-IDF vectorizer is used to calculate the TF-IDF score per every word in the corpus related to that text and then putting the information into a vector. So after TF-IDF vectorization, the input data will apply into classification method. So in classification, we are using two different types of machine learning algorithm. One is support vector machine algorithm and another one is logistic regression algorithm. So by creating the pipeline between the TF-IDF vectorizer and also SVM algorithm. So the SVM algorithm will achieve the accuracy is 97%, and these are all the classification report for SVM algorithm. So 0 means malicious and 1 means benign. So in here, for the precision means number of correct prediction, recall means number of correct instance of prediction, and F1 score means to measure the test accuracy. So after that, this is the confusion matrix result that we are get it from SVM algorithm. This is SVM algorithm specificity is 97%, and this is the learning curve for SVM algorithm. The learning curve which is explained the training accuracy and also test accuracy. So this is the number. This is the confusion matrix diagram. The confusion matrix which is explains the number of correct prediction and misclassifications of the two different classes like benign and malicious classes. So our second algorithm is logistic regression algorithm. So the logistic regression algorithm achieves the accuracy is 95%. So these are the classification report for logistic regression algorithm. So the logistic regression algorithm precision, recall and F1 score values, and this is the confusion matrix for logistic regression algorithm. And the logistic regression algorithm specificity is 94%, and this is the learning curve for logistic regression algorithm. And finally, the logistic regression algorithm confusion matrix. So in here we just got the higher accuracy from SVM algorithm. By using the SVM algorithm, we just make a prediction. So in here, user can enter the URL text and they can predict by using our SVM model. So first I have to predict the non-phishing website, and next time I am predicting the phishing website. So these are all the results of our process, and this is the variable result that we are obtaining from our program.